Hi, I'm Chef Raphael, and in this video, this is how I make my delicious rice salad. I'm using Pearl Pishori rice. It's perfect for this salad because it has a nice Pishori flavor. There's nothing like Pishori. Watch till the end, you see how simple it is to make it. Let's get cooking. So when it comes to the ingredients to this simple salad, it's all up to you. Now the main ingredient for sure is the rice. I'm using the Pearl Pishori. This rice that I'm using is actually warm. I think when you're using a warm rice, it has a nicer flavor because the Pishori flavor is alive when it's warm as opposed to when it's cold. When it comes to preparing the salad, it's actually just pouring the ingredients into it. I love red onion, and I think red onion gives it a nice crunch and also a nice flavor that when you have it together with everything else makes you actually wonder if this is an onion or not. So the other ingredients I have, it's a mixture of colors. I'm using bell peppers, the green one and the yellow one. And then for the red, you may use the red bell pepper, but I chose to use tomato. The tomato that I've removed the seeds and cut them into the same size as the rest of the vegetables. I also have pineapple and the nut. The nut that I chose is macadamia. You can use any other nut that is available to you, whether it's cashew nut or peanuts. Again, it's up to you. So what I'm doing is adding the different ingredients slowly, a little bit, not all of it at the same time, because I'm not sure how much I need. Added a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt to taste, and it was ready to serve. I like like I said, the onion crunch and also flavor. The nut is hard, so that also gives it a nice dimension. For this one, I don't need a vinegar. All I need is the oil. Because the vinegar will, I feel it doesn't work, but you get the flavor from the tomato, so that's good. I hope this video has been helpful. Again, this is Plateful of Love campaign with Pearl, and until next time, check the other videos and see the other Pearl inspired recipes that I've made with pulses and rice, and I'll catch you on the next one.